we've been home and my nails look horrible. I wanted to try out and do my nails myself. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and also on my Instagram how the poly gel is becoming so popular and it looks pretty easy to do. So I kind of got my kit of everything that I think I need. I just got everything and I wanted to open it up with you guys and show you what comes inside the boxes, and then I'll do another video where I'll actually be trying to do it myself, which would be the very first time that I do it, so I have zero experience. Alright, so the first thing I got was the Polynail Gel Extension Kit, and let's open it and see what I know. And I'm not being sponsored by absolutely anybody, so whatever we got here is what we have. So the box is pretty secure. So the first thing, you guys can see it there. The first thing we have comes with a color, another color, Alright, so it comes as 6 different colors, ranging from 1 all the way to 6. So we have 6 colors here. You get this little cool stick, and you'll use this to add any little accessories or any little thing that you want into the nail. So this is cool that it comes with this and it comes with this. It also comes with the Soak Off Gel Polish Top Coat. It comes with the base coat. And it comes with the nail surface cleanse, the nail slip. Also, this is a nail slip solution. A lot of these poly gel nail kits don't come with the solutions. I was looking at that online, so I was able to get this in Amazon, and it pretty much, I think, comes with everything you might need. And it also comes with this, which I'm going to say, oh, okay, so this is the cuticle pusher. And then on the other side, it comes with a brush that we will be using. It's kind of hard right now. So this is definitely a full kit. Comes with probably everything you might need. There's more goodies. It comes also with a filer. It comes with nail forms. It brings actually a lot of them. There's a lot. And it also brings nail form. Oh God, the nail drill. Got pretty good reviews on this one. I got it also from Amazon. Let's open it up and see what comes in. Opening it up. A little instructions, something, a little manual. 20% off for drills and accessories. The user manual. So this is the electric power. It's cool. So it comes with little holes, jackets. I'm assuming you can put in the drill bits there. This is the power. These are the drill bits. Here's the drill. This we want to connect in the back. And it also kind of gives you instructions, like has little, this can go in that way. Pretty cool. These, you can sand them around here, whichever ones you're using when you're doing your nails. And also the foot pedal, for those who are more advanced and are comfortable doing it, but we won't be doing it. It's a really comfy pack. So this is pretty cool. To cure it. We use this a lot to cure the gel. If you also want to use, doesn't necessarily have to be the poly gel, but maybe the gel polish, you need one of these. It was pretty good reviews. I got this on Amazon as well. And this one is 2-in-1, is LED and UV. I read a lot that you have to make sure that you get the ones with LED and UV, because some nail polish won't get cured if it doesn't have LED or UV. What comes in the box? Doesn't weigh anything, pretty light. 2 hands won't fit. They're pretty tight. That's 1 hand at a time for sure. It says Smart Nail Lamp 2.0. If you notice here in the buttons, it has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99 seconds. Double power, low heat mode. Pretty cool. Yeah, there's the outlet. It also comes with gel polish application. I guess it comes with little instructions on how to properly prepare your nails for the gel polish. And then it also comes with a manual. This is pretty cool. I got this glue just in case I ever do decide to put nails on and I need to glue it. And then I also got cuticle oil. And I also got, it came with 2 little cups to put in the solutions. They look pretty cute. I'll put everything in the description of everything that I got. And then I also got this little set. It comes with 7 filers, buffers, and a little brush. Alright, so now that I have everything, I'm going to give it a try and do my nails and see what comes up. But these are essential, all the starter kit, everything you need. So this is pretty much everything you need to start off and try to do our nails. yeah, so just let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, I'll put everything down in the description of everything that I got.